everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I have my design team project for the Paper Cameo, and it's going to be a pocket page with a giant tag. I'm currently putting together this journal, and I needed something to put in the inside cover, and so I use this beautiful kit from the Paper Cameo from Nicola, and use the elements there to create the inside as well as the this one on the back cover of the journal. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll show you how I made it because I also needed to decorate or embellish this particular page in the journal. So I'll put this to the side, but we'll use this because that's the dimension that we're going to be using for this particular journal. So I used I think this is the Floral Affair kit. I'll link the actual link in the description below so you can find it. But this journal is a blue journal, and the colors in this particular kit just went really well with the journal that I'm putting together. So I thought I'd use these elements, and I just fell in love with these images, with the ladies images. So we'll use those to create the pocket for our page, and then we'll probably use the floral ones for the tag that we will also be putting together. So I won't be speaking much in this journal or in this video anymore, but I'll just show you what I'm doing. Earlier I showed you all of the materials that we will be needing. It's very simple, not a lot. You just need the kit, and then I also have these beautiful tags from Nicola. This is also available in her Etsy shop, so we'll use those to decorate the tags as well as the actual pocket. Of course, you need scissors, glue, distressing, and then we'll also use a little bit of wallpaper because I thought it contrasted really well with the kit, so we'll use it to decorate as well. And then I also added a tab to the tag, so we'll use this tab puncher to create that. All right, so we're ready to start. All right, so the first step is to trim the white pages, the white edges of these background papers that I printed from the kit. I think it's just definitely my printer that prints this, not whole page. Haven't figured out how to do that. But yeah, just trim the edges of the paper. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to decide on how where to cut the page so that it will fit, where to cut the background paper so that it will fit the page where I'm going to glue it. So that's what I'm doing now, and I think instead of cutting with a scissor, I just used my hand so that there's a ripped effect, and then I just de-stressed it to give that edged look. And then since the page is a little bit smaller, the background paper is a little bit smaller than the actual page where I will be putting it, I'll be using some extenders later. I think I'm going to use the wallpaper for that. And then what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to decide what to use for the pocket. So ultimately, I think I'm going to choose one of the lady images, this one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one side so that it's straight, and then I'm just going to tear around the edges of the lady so that there's a ripped effect for the pocket. Then I'm going to de-stress the sides again. After that, I'll glue the whole page into the journal, and then I'll be decorating it with little bits from the digital kit as well as some labels, and then some of that wallpaper. Now we're making the giant tag for the journal, so for the journal page. So I'm going to be using the other side of the background paper that we chose because I really love this floral illustration. And then for this particular printout, I didn't print it double-sided. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose another background page that will go into the back of the tag. So the other side of the tag, I've chosen this one with this beautiful lady illustration. So that's going to be the back of the giant tag. And then similar to the process in how I created the page with the pocket, I'm just going to decorate it with some elements from the background papers from the kit. And then I'm going to be adding some of that wallpaper again. And then I'm going to use the tab puncher using one of the background papers, and I'm going to attach that to this tag as well.